back at the wood pile, ready to do some cutting, but today got a little treat for myself. Our new saw. In addition to my 550 XP with a 18-inch bar, I now have a brand new 572 XP with a 24-inch bar. Well, it's not strictly brand new, I have had a little play with it, but it's the first time I would have used it on this lot, so eager to get started. So one of my first little jobs will be to deal with some of this higher up stuff here. It's kind of above head height, it's quite large, some of it, just to bring the height down. I've already taken it down up here, so this is all pretty much below head height. Yeah, and once it's all a bit lower, I can start working my way through, but those 2 or 3 up there just need doing, and then it should be good to go. That was a bad start. I thought that might happen. I tried to steer it away. I'm going to have to move the tripod a bit further away from the pile, I think. Let's put it over here. Just finished up with the smaller stuff here, and that was pretty much a tank, so I've just refueled. So I'm going to move on to this one next, which I think is possibly one of the biggest biggest logs in the pile. It's probably not far off of 24 inches pretty much. It's widest point. Get stuck into that next. First couple of those rounds will get right on the inside. That's wood on the outside's alright. They get better as they go. My cutting was a bit wonky. These that one, I think this one's a bit bad. The rest look alright. Yeah, the wood gets pretty good, solid further up. These rounds are okay. Break my phone if I'm not careful. There we go, there's the truck and the trailer loaded. I'm just trying out the trailer, see if it works for me. And everything here is, this is all firewood I'm going to be selling, so it's separate from the stuff I use for personal use. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.